What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Nasdaq. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in NAS100. Now, as you can see, Nasdaq on the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade Nasdaq. Looking at monthly to see overall direction in the market. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that Nasdaq previous months created this big bullish candle, which has closed 2 days earlier. Now, as soon as market open, we have seen a big bounce on the monthly, has broken this important monthly level of resistance. Now, this is the monthly level of resistance, which is also acting here as a resistance and grab huge liquidity. Now we see that this market retreating back as the market already grabbed liquidity. What we can expect on Nasdaq to come back down at least to this monthly level of support zone, which is acted here as resistance, turning here as a support. Now looking at weekly time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now on the weekly as well, as you can see, this is a very important weekly level of resistance. There's a long bearish engulfer has formed in that zone. Now from that bearish engulfer on the weekly, we have seen that this big move happened on Nasdaq. Now we see that the price reached that zone, crossed that level, means there is a huge liquidity. Now the price is rejecting. Now this is the impulse of this move to the upside to break this weekly resistance. If we take our Fibonacci for this impulse, we see that there is a 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is considered as minimum Fibonacci level, which is aligning with on Nasdaq, which is the previous resistance here, turning support. What we can expect now, the price slowly at least come back to this previous resistance, turning support, testing this level before creating another bullish move. So looking at daily perspective, what we see that from the daily perspective, this is the daily candle, which in fact also the resistance here grab liquidity with this long wick candle on the daily time frame. And from that candle, what do we see that after gap opening today, Nasdaq is dropping. Now what we can expect on Nasdaq, the price to come back again to this red candle, which is the daily resistance level, turning support. And with that dotted line that we have drawn on the weekly Fibonacci level, what we can expect, slowly the price to come back here to test this level before creating any move to the upside. So you still have a big gap to fill on Nasdaq from the daily perspective. Looking at intraday perspective on the 4 hour, we see that Nasdaq creating an reversal pattern. What do you see that this is a big move happen with this long candle, and another one immediately has come back down from this resistance level, giving us a potential reversal pattern here with this narrow doji. So what I think that at some point we could see the price again testing this liquidity zone where the narrow doji can give us a suitable entry opportunity along this zone on NAS100. As soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity on NAS100 to take this move to the downside, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading Nasdaq. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.